are going on a long camping trip in the Arizona desert, so I've got to get the van ready. I've got to take everything out and restock all of our basic supplies in there, and I'm going to kind of clean it up and just get it ready for a long trip. You guys excited? It's going to be awesome.
Are we leaving yet?
Oh man, finally on the road. We're going to Arizona and we're looking for bikes.
So stay tuned.
It was a rainy night in Little Rock, yeah.
Morning.
Good morning, good people. Well, we forgot to do the coffee montage, you know, where we pour the water in, put the grinds in, chop, 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 chop in the editing room. And we just wanted to say hello, good morning, because we're going out of this Walmart parking lot. But it's cold here in Little Rock. And it was kind of cold and rainy all night. We can't wait to get in the sunny desert.
Yes.
We're in Little Rock still, in case you missed that from 10 seconds ago.
So Joe's back there changing our tail light.
There it is. Found it.
You found it?
As soon as I put the glasses on. You want to see it? I'm just going to put some duct tape over the crack. We've been having our taillight go out when it rains, and water is getting in here and blowing the bulb. And it rained all night last night whenever I got the bulb out. There's water in the bulb. It's busted from getting wet when it was on, and there's water collected in the bulb. So I have a new bulb because we've been having this go out, so I had an extra bulb. But when I pulled this apart, I was like, I've got to figure out where it's leaking, and I couldn't find a crack anywhere. So I went and got my glasses out of the van. As soon as I put them on, I looked at this and I could see a huge crack in the top of it right there. So there's a crack in the casing here. Water's getting in the top, dripping right down the bulb. And that's a hot bulb with water, rainwater dripping on it. It's just gonna burst. And then we have no blinker or taillight, and we're gonna get pulled over. And we don't wanna get pulled over. So I'm gonna put a piece of duct tape over the hole, and hopefully that'll keep the rain from going in, and I can put a new bulb in, because we don't want our taillight out driving around. I just want to check the oil. How long this dipstick is. Wonder why that's a bad name to call somebody a dipstick. Because it's a pretty nice dipstick here. It'd almost be a compliment. Tucumcari, New Mexico. We stayed at a truck stop, and there was a lot of vans here. It was cold last night too, man. Foot of the bed got really cold, so it's about 10 a.m. We're getting up slowly, had breakfast and everything, and ready to hit the road again and get over to Arizona. stopped at a Walmart to camp, and there's no camping at this Walmart. As soon as we pull up,
we need a plan B.
yeah, there are signs everywhere saying no overnight parking, no camping. You'll be towed or get a wheel block put on or whatever. And so
Joe read all the reviews.
yeah, that was because there was a bunch of old 70s vans and campers and people peeing out their window, and somebody stole a shopping cart and drove away nervously, and you know, panhandlers at every entrance. And
There were some complaints
yeah, so they're
about the van dwellers.
yeah. So you
So
know,
no camping at the Walmarts in Flagstaff. If you were thinking about it,
yeah,
think again.
yeah, no camping in the Walmarts. Well, we just want a place to sleep because we're headed out of here, man. We're gonna go down into the desert where it's warm, because it is 25 degrees
It's
right now.
so cold here.
It's gonna get down to like 18 degrees tonight, and that's okay though. We got a heater.
Well, I'll tell you what's holding us up is we've decided that we're bike packers now, and we can't be that without bikes.
Where
So
we're gonna be bike packing, which is just like backpacking except from a bicycle, where you spend several days on a big long bike trip on gravel roads and forest roads and trails even, you know. It'd be really cool. We're excited about it. But
yeah, really excited.
we're gonna find a place to camp tonight, but it won't be at a Walmart. We'll probably sneak into a hotel parking lot or a funeral
That
home
gas
or-
station parking lot even,
Gas
or
station
if we
parking
go
lot.
back out closer to the interstate, we may be able to find a truck stop.
Yeah,
That might be our best bet.
yeah. Truck stops almost always let you stay overnight because truckers are there, you know. Merry Christmas.
What's going on here, Joe? I can't believe there's more lights than our Christmas special.
Well, we found our camping spot over here at Little America.
It's only like 10 minutes from the last time we talked to you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're gonna put our window things in and go to sleep. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I hope tomorrow we're down in the desert where it's warm and nice and sunny. And
Yeah.
I mean, there's ice and snow on the ground here. It's cold. So, all right, we found our spot. So good night. Yep. So, still in Flagstaff. Stayed at a cool truck stop last night though.
This is a cool town, too.
Yeah, we're in the historic part of downtown on Route 66. It is a nice town, except it's cold.
Oh, cool.
All right, let's go look at some bikes. Our bikes.
Yay!
We found 2 gravel bikes over here in Flagstaff, and we bought them. So we're proud new owners from Kona Roves, and they're awesome bikes, man, for gravel and adventure biking and bike packing. So we're gonna load them up in the van.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. We're on our way to find a campsite and just relax for a few days, because we left Illinois Wednesday and it's Saturday.
We're excited. We're gonna find a place to camp and explore and have some fun. It's time to have some fun. Maybe a nap. Action. Oh wait, no.